Welcome! If you're looking to stop those constant message reminders on Instagram, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to turn off message notifications so you can enjoy a quieter, distraction-free experience on the app. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and head straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Once you're there, look to the top right of your screen and tap the three horizontal lines icon, often called the hamburger menu. Next, from the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. This section is where Instagram keeps all the options to customize your app experience. Scroll down a bit and tap on Notifications to access all the notification settings. Within Notifications, find and tap on Messages. This is where you control how Instagram alerts you about direct messages and message requests. Now, look for the option labeled Message Reminders. This feature is responsible for those persistent nudges you get when you have unread messages. To stop these reminders, simply select Off. Once you do that, Instagram will no longer send you those repetitive message alerts, giving you a break from constant pings. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily manage your Instagram message notifications and reduce distractions. Whether you want to focus on other things or just enjoy your app time without interruptions, turning off message reminders is a quick and effective solution. Thanks for watching.